Stop buying hot sauce, because this fermented hot sauce will taste 10x better and last for months. I'm gonna show you a simple trick most people miss that gives this sauce that deep, tangy, addictive kick, no vinegar overload. Grab 200 grams fresh red chilies. Mix mild and spicy if you want balance. Add 4 garlic cloves for that bold punch. 1/2 medium onion for a little natural sweetness. 1 tablespoon salt and about 2 cups clean water. Simple stuff, but the magic is coming. Roughly chop your chilies. No need to be perfect. Peel and finely chop those 4 garlic cloves and slice the 1/2 onion. Now toss everything into a clean jar. In a separate cup, mix 1 tablespoon salt into 2 cups water until fully dissolved. Here's where most people mess up. Pour that brine in until everything is fully submerged. If needed, press it down so no pieces float up. Seal the jar loosely and let it sit at room temp for 5 to 7 days. You'll start seeing bubbles. That's where the flavor builds. After 5 to 7 days, transfer everything to a blender. Add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of that brine and blend until smooth. Now taste it. This fermented hot sauce hits with bold heat, then a tangy, slightly funky depth, way richer than anything store-bought. Adjust thickness with more brine if needed. And trust me, this fermented hot sauce only gets better with time. So tell me, would you go extra spicy with 200 g chilies, or tone it down?